أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My name is Shahbaz Shaukat, and I will be teaching you in this second session of our class. We did some work in the last class, but inshallah, we are kind of restarting again. So if you missed the last class, you should be still okay. Inshallah. Everyone mute their, please mute their mics. So when you ask to speak or you want to speak, then you can unmute it. All right. Okay. And other thing is, if you find a few things hard to understand, you can always ask questions. But the message is, don't get discouraged. Okay. Don't do this like you find the first or the second class difficult and you start quitting. No, don't do that, please. Keep coming, keep asking questions, show some motivation, and inshallah, it will become easy. I can promise you that. It will become easy, even if you find it hard initially. It is my job to make it easy for you, okay? And inshallah, I will do my best to make it easy for you, even if you find it hard. So you just have to let me know, okay? Inshallah. So we start the first lesson. And we go over the things again, which we discussed, some of the things we discussed in the last lesson. So again, in Arabic language, every word will fall into one of the three categories. There are only three types of words in Arabic language, okay? Only three types of words. And what are they? They are ism, which is translated as noun in English, fail, which is translated as verb, and harf, particle. So you have to memorize three terms today. That's all. Ism, fail, and harf. If you don't know them already, maybe it will be a little difficult to memorize, but try to memorize them. Ism, fail, harf. That's all. That's all I expect, that you memorize them and understand what they mean, what they are. So ism means name of a person, place, or a thing, but it also includes pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs. Okay, so it is more than a noun, actually. So ism is translated as noun, but actually it is more than a noun. Ism, again, it is the name of a person, place, or thing, or a pronoun, adjective, adverb, etc. This is ism. Okay, what is fail? Fail is a word that has action in it. That has action in it, and it also has a tense. Tense means it would represent an action that happened in the past, or an action that happened in the present or future. So if you see a word that has an action in it and it has a tense, then it is a fail. Third type of words, they're called harf. These words, they give an incomplete meaning unless followed by another word. I give you an example. For example, somebody asks me, Brother Shahbaz, where are you going? And I answer him, to. I just say the word to. I don't say anything after it. Does it mean anything? No, it doesn't mean anything. Unless I say something after it. I say, so the question was, where are you going? So I said, to the airport. Or I say, to my house. Or I say, to the masjid. So just saying to doesn't mean anything. I have to say something after it to give it a meaning. So these words are like in English language, in, to, on, at, towards. For example, somebody asks me, where are you? Where, or will somebody say, where are you sitting? So I say, I'm sitting on, and then I don't say anything. So this on doesn't mean anything. I say, I'm sitting on a chair. Now it makes sense. So just saying on doesn't mean anything. It gives an incomplete meaning. So words like this, they are called harf. So again, 3 types of words in Arabic language. First type is called ism. Second type is called fail. And the third type is called harf. Okay, so now we will try to understand them with the help of some examples, inshallah. So first example I have for you is Khalid went to school. Khalid went to school. So we will label this sentence, the different words in this sentence, and find out what is ism, what is fail, what is harf, inshallah. So Khalid, the first word is a person, it's a name of a person. So what that would be? Obviously, it is ism. So Khalid is ism. Next word, went. Went has an action in it, in the action of going in it. And went is a past tense. So it has a tense in it too. So what will be went? Ism, fail, or harf? It will be fail. It has an action in it, right? So went is a fail. 2. As I discussed before, 2, if just spoken on its own, gives an incomplete meaning unless you say something after it. So 2 would be a harf. How about school? School is a name of a place. And if we go to the definition of ism, it is the name of a person, place, or thing. So place. School is a place. So that would be ism. Simple concept, huh? All right. So let's take another example, and then see if we can understand that this even better, inshallah. Any volunteer who wants to help me out with this sentence from the new participants?
Uncle?
Who is this? Arham?
Yes, uncle.
You want to help me out?
Yes, inshallah.
Okay, so your sentence is Fatima ate chocolate in a park. Okay.
Yes.
And we are going to label it as we labeled the first sentence.
Okay.
So what do you think about Fatima? What is it?
Fatima is a name of a person, so it would be an ism.
Ism, very good. How about ate?
Ate, verb, it's a verb. So as it says in fa'il, the description tells us about an action and it has a tense. So ate is the action here. So it would be the fa'il.
What chocolate?
Chocolate would be ism because it is a name of a thing.
Very good. Good job, Arham. How about in?
In is a particle, a harf, because alone it would give an incomplete meaning.
Because if you say Fatima ate chocolate in, and you don't say anything after, it gives the incomplete meaning. So in is a harf, you said?
Yes.
All right. How about park?
Park is ism because it is the name of a place.
Very good. Good job, Arham. Thanks a lot. All right. So this is all it is. Ism, fail, and harf, and every word in Arabic language will fall into one of these categories. We practice a little more. And another volunteer, anybody who wants to help me out here from the new students, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Rock is here to help.
Hello.
I think there are more than one participant, so I will have a look, inshallah. I have hands up, a few hands up. How about Hadia? Hadia, would you like to help me?
Sure.
All right. So your sentence is Harris ate ice cream at school happily. Okay, go ahead. Harris.
So Haris is a name of a person, so it will be ism. And 8 will be fail because it's about an action happening.
Ice cream.
And ice cream will be ism because it's a thing. At
At.
will be a herb. And school will be a ism because it's a name of a place. Unhappily will be a verb because an action is happening.
The last one I have a problem with it.
It's an
It is actually
adverb.
an adverb. Happily. It is the condition. It is not an action. It is the condition in which Haris was when he was eating. All right. So this is an ism. The last one, happily, is an ism. The rest was good. Yeah, good job. Good job, Hadia. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Saad. Saad, would you help me? Yeah, okay. So I have the next sentence for you. Can you read the sentence?
Yes. Kulthum lives in a beautiful house.
All right. Kulsum is the name of a girl, okay?
Okay.
So what is the first word?
Kulthum is a name of a person, so it will fall in ism.
All right, great. Lives.
Lives is a verb. It's the tense is present, and it's a verb. Fail.
Fail. Fail. Yeah, we should use the Arabic terms. Fail. In.
In is her, because here it says gives incomplete meaning unless followed by another word. So in is, if it's just in, it won't make sense, as you said. So that will fall in harf.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. It describes, so it'll be it will be fallen is, I think it's a adjective.
Very good, Saad. Good job. Keep going.
And house is a place, so it will fall in ism too.
Very good. Excellent. 100%. Thank you. We go to Taimia. Taimia, would you like to help me or not? With the next word, with the next sentence. Or Burak, you want to help me?
Okay, barber is a name.
Who wants to help you from you, two of you?
Yeah.
Barber is a name, so it's a noun.
Can you read the sentence first?
Okay, barber goes to his school with his
Brother.
brother. Barber, it's a name, so it's a noun. Goes is an action, so it's a verb. To is a particle. His is
No. So particle in Arabic. What's the meaning? What's the Arabic
Harf.
word?
Harf.
Harf. We are going to use Arabic words. Ism, fail, and harf. Okay. Yeah. So Babar is an ism. What is goes?
Goes is fi'al.
Good. Two.
To is harf.
Is.
His is ism. School is a place, so it's also ism. With is on particle harf.
All right.
His is a noun.
Why
Ism,
he's an ism? Why is an ism? Why?
it's because
It's a
it's a pronoun.
pronoun. Very good. Brother.
Brother is a noun.
A noun. All right. So we shouldn't have any problem now identifying from a sentence what is ism, what is fail, and what is harf. So far, we have only used English sentences, but we are learning Arabic. So we should also use some Arabic examples, inshallah. So the Arabic example I have is a very simple sentence. It is, maybe I should ask somebody else to read it instead of myself. So I have M. Ahmed. Can you please read this for me?
Yes. Zamkum زاد الذهاب إلى المسجد.
Yeah. Zaidun zahaba ilal masjidi. All right, good. So can you, okay, what does Zaid mean? Zaid is the name, so Zaid is Zaid. Zahaba means? Is it Umar? Umar? Stay with me. You muted.
Yes.
Hello, you are asking me Umar Farooq?
Sorry, it was M. Ahmad. M. Ahmad, whoever that was.
Yes.
Okay, stay with me.
Okay.
Zahaba means?
Went
Ila
towards
al-masjid.
the masjid.
What is the translation of this sentence?
Zad went towards the masjid.
What is Zaid? Ism, fail, or harf?
Zad is ism. Went is fail.
Zahaba. Say, use the Arabic word. Zahaba is?
Zahaba is fail. Ila is also fail.
Sure?
And no, it is a harf. Ila is a
It's a
harf.
harf, yeah.
And the al-masjid, it is a ism because it is a place.
All right, good. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you.
Welcome.
All right. Cannot see everyone here, but let me pick another person here.
I can do.
I have here Umar and Ali. Umar and Ali, who's this? Is it Umar or Ali? Who wants to do it?
It's Ali. It's Ali.
Ali. Okay, Ali, I give you another sentence, okay? Can you read this Arabic sentence?
Fatima is a noun.
No, just read it first. Read the whole thing first.
Fatima ate in the house.
Read the Arabic.
Fatima tu akalat fila baiti.
Baiti, okay. Akalat means?
Akalat means ate. And
Fi means?
Ate is a verb.
No. What's the meaning of fi?
Fi is in a harf.
And what is al-baiti?
Al-baiti is the house.
So what's the English translation of this?
Oh, Fatima ate in the house.
All right. Okay. Now we are going to label it. Okay. What is Fatima?
Fatima is a noun.
Say ism.
Because it's a name of a person.
So we are using Arabic terms. So say
Ism.
Ism. What is akalat?
Akalat is a verb.
What's the Arabic word for it?
Is a fail.
Fail. Okay. Akalat is a fail. What is fi?
Fi is a harf.
Fi is a harf. Oops. What is al-bayti?
Ism.
Bayti is an ism. All right. So this is a simple concept. Thank you, Ali, for your help. So the purpose of today's lesson is to introduce you to 3 terms of Arabic language, ism, fail, and harf, and that all the words in Arabic language fall in one of these categories. So if you see a word in Arabic, in Qur'an, either it will be an ism, or it will be a fail, or it will be a harf. Initially, you might have difficulty differentiating between them. But inshallah, with time, you will really get good at it. Inshallah, it will become easy.
Inshallah.
So at this stage, I will stop and I will let you ask any questions if you have about today's lesson.
Assalamu alaikum, uncle.
Go ahead.
Uncle, my question was, the question, Zaid went to the masjid. Zahaba would be went. So, what would be, if I was to say Zaid goes to the masjid, what would be the Arabic for that? Because
Okay, we are getting ahead of ourselves, but I will give you the answer. He goes, Zaidun yazhabu. Zaidun
yazhabu.
yazhabu. Zahaba yazhabu. All right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Inshallah, we will learn more about fail and then you will really know. So Zaidun yazhabu ila al-masjid. Anyway, any other question? All right. So what I'm gonna do is, so this is done, but I'm gonna give you a homework. All right? I'm going to give you some homework. And the homework is you have to memorize a few words for me, okay? And there are 9 words. Inshallah, I will post this on the WhatsApp group, so you have this slide only. These 9 words are Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. All right? Muslimun means one Muslim. So all the 3 words in this column mean the same, one Muslim. Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini means 2 Muslims. And Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina means more than 2 Muslims. So the homework is just memorize like this. This is called Muslim chart. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. So if I ask someone, can you tell me the Muslim chart? This is what I expect. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. So that is your homework. Try to memorize these 9 words. They are very easy, simple, should be easy, but if they are not, still try to memorize them. In this order, the order I told you these words in, the same order. All right? That's all. That's all for today's lesson.
Shabazz bhai?
Yes.
What's the difference between the dual second and third and the plural second and third? They look the same in writing.
You see, brother Tabriz, the issue is in English,
Yes.
we have singular and we have plural, right? And plural includes 2, right?
Okay.
Yeah. In Arabic, there is a singular, there is a dual, and plural does not include 2. Plural is more than 2.
Yes.
And you see, they are not similar. You see, this is Muslimaini.
Right.
And this is Muslimina.
Muslim.
They look similar, but they actually are different.
Okay.
You see, meme has a fatha on it over here in the dual.
Right.
And meme has a kasra here and under plural, zair.
Yes.
So these are different. Muslimaini, Muslimina. So they are different.
Okay.
So please again memorize these 9 words, and inshallah they will be very useful when we start our lesson tomorrow. So this is your homework. If there are any more comments, questions, that's good. We can talk about it. Otherwise, we are done with the second session. Jazakumullahu khair for your attention.
Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Brother
I
Abdul
have
Khalik,
a-
you can.
I
Sorry.
have a quick question.
Yes.
Under plural, the second and third are same, right? Muslimina, they both are
Mhm.
same.
Yeah, they are the same.
Okay.
And why they are the same? Inshallah, that will come later. I don't want to tell you now.
Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.